What's up, YouTube? I am so sorry for such a late upload today. I usually upload on Mondays first thing in the morning, and I am only about 10 hours late today, so I'm really sorry about that. I just got back. Actually, last week I went on a vacation up to Alaska. Put out some videos anyways, though, on my channel, so you probably didn't even notice I was gone. But it was incredible. Obviously, believe it or not, I got sun in Alaska somehow. We just lucked out. There was actually sun up there the whole week. I saw dolphins. I saw humpback whales. It's just incredible. Absolutely incredible. I totally recommend it. If you have not been to Alaska, it was just very, very invigorating and refreshing, and I just feel the sense of just extra energy rushing through my blood now, being back and just being surrounded by that much just hugeness, you know, just the nature of those the mountains and the glaciers and the ice, and it's just incredible. It's just absolutely breathtaking. And also being unplugged for about a week there. I didn't have any access to the internet, to my phone. That was weird for a couple of days, but once I got used to it after day 3, I loved it. It was so just wonderful to not even take the phone with me anywhere I went, just keep it in the bag and not even worry about it. So that was really cool. But I am back now, and I needed to recharge, and I got that recharge, so I'm excited. And it was just a beautiful experience. So today, just a quick video. We are starting actually a new licensing opportunity in the syndicate, and it actually just got started today. And I did want to let you guys know about it. It will be for corporate queues. It's a little bit different than usual, though. A lot of the opportunities that I provide, I will directly go over the references in the instructional video. I cannot and will not do that for this opportunity because we are getting confidential assets that are not to be shared, okay? So the only way to get these assets is if obviously you are in the syndicate and you also email me and let me know that you're interested in submitting, and you let me know that you are aware that these are confidential assets not to be shared. I need to basically keep a tight lid on where these assets are going. I'm not going to just post them all over the place. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll go on YouTube and find a bunch of tracks that fit the reference of what we're looking for, and those are publicly available, and that's not confidential information. But this is a very unique situation because these are being asked for specific opportunities, specific advertising opportunities with one of our big licensing partners. So I have to keep the lid on it. So I apologize, but if you want to learn a little bit more about the opportunity, as usual, the link is below this video. You can go watch me talk a little bit vaguely, but I do try to give as much specifics as I can about what this opportunity is, who it's for, what's going on with it, etc. So you can learn more about it and decide if it's something you want to participate in and get involved in. I do only accept submissions from syndicate members, okay? Every time I put these videos up, I get emails and people just start sending me music. I'm not taking unsolicited submissions, people just sending me stuff, sending me a Dropbox or a SoundCloud link. Please do not do that. I will only be considering submissions from those students and producers that I've personally invested in, that have become a part and a member of the syndicate. And as you may or may not know, I'm screening, okay? So I need to make sure that I see your application. You must apply. I need to know a little bit about you, who you are, what your intentions are, what your expectations are. I need to make sure that, you know, I will be a good mentor for you, okay? I'm not a great mentor for all producers. There's a certain kind of mentor mindset. My brain is not up to speed, so I apologize yet. Maybe tomorrow I'll be back here, okay? My mind is still maybe up in Alaska. But I need to make sure that you have the right mentality for me to be able to coach you, okay? It takes two. I can only be a great teacher and a great coach and a great mentor if you're the right student for me. And I can basically tell that by the questions that I put together on the application form, okay? And if you are going to apply, here's the only hint I'm gonna give you. I'm not gonna tell you what I wanna hear in order to accept you in. Obviously, I need you to just give me your organic, honest answers. But I can tell you this, be thoughtful and take your time with your application. I do sometimes get applications from people that give me a one-word answer to something that you can obviously write a couple of sentences in a paragraph. And that doesn't show me that you're putting a lot of serious thought into this if you're just going, this, that, and it's a one-word answer or maybe even a one-sentence answer. Give me a thoughtful response, because that does show a lot about your commitment to this business, okay? This is not for the weak. This is not for those that get bored very easily. It's not for those that don't have the ability to stick with it for long-term results. And if you're just giving me a one-word answer or a really brief answer that doesn't show a lot of thoughtfulness, I don't think I want to spend a lot of time coaching you and getting you up to speed, because in a couple of months you're going to burn out and not feel like you want to be a part of this anymore and not be involved in the licensing business at all. And so I'd rather save my energy and save my investment of time into those that really want to do it for the long haul. And the way that you answer this application process will basically let me know if you're a good fit or not. So that's just a little bit of advice I can give to those of you that do want to get involved with the syndicate, and you're not sure what I'm really looking for. I'm not going to tell you more than that. That's really all I can tell you, is that I just need you to be honest. Let me know who you really are, and I can decide from there. So that's it, guys. I'll have some more really cool videos coming up for you this week and next week as well. I might be cranking up the number of videos that I'm doing here on the channel. I have some other cool projects in the work right now. You guys saw that last week I had a video, or 2 weeks ago now, about a new service that I'm planning on putting together. And as I was up on, in vacation mode, I was sort of brainstorming a little bit more and came up with some really cool ways to add value to that service for those of you that really just need a little bit more to get started in the business, to have a little bit of a sort of a kick in the butt, to give you a little bit of that edge on the competition out there. There are a lot of producers all submitting to libraries, and I think I found something that I can do first and foremost with my crazy schedule. I can actually fit it into my schedule, and not only that, it's basically something that does not exist anywhere else online, anywhere like in the world. So this would be a once in a lifetime, completely unique service that I would be providing. And nobody else has ever provided anything like this before in the history of mankind, which sounds like a big hype, I understand, but I just need to let you guys know that I've been putting a lot of thought into it. And if you guys have been needing to get some benefit and get some value, but the syndicate just isn't feasible for you, hang tight. I got something really cool coming for you very soon.